Ekyo kakati aziza zyo nascoring because you know Diamond Platnumz knows his song.
Banendoza Azizi yasuze bulungi.
Sinkane ku gundi yao ku stream live vote Azizi tukyogereko. Kuna kola tyata aina ne Selena nayo omwaka guno by the Azizi.
Oh yeah.
Yes. Kakati ekirala highlight gino so kuvusa maaso Diamond gave credit to Dr. Jose Chameleone.
Yeah, I watched that.
Sajjo yabeera wane Kampala ne mukola byonna ne musimulizaako ettooke etoomi but Diamond still believes Chameleone yakyali East Africa's finest.
Best.
Actually agamba Chameleone is African finest. So so-called with Diamond ng'ate agamba maximum respect to Dr. Jose Chameleone.
Okay.
I want to play this song. I don't want to tell you what this song is, but I'm playing this song because I love this song so much, and I've learned a lot from this song, and hopefully you're gonna love this song. But if you know the song, I want you to wave, I want you to go crazy, I want you to vibe with me, right? If I'm gonna play this song. That's what you have. Put your hands up for Dr. Chameleone. Everybody on the left, on the right, on the left, on the right, on the left, on the right, on the left. Super. Kimezana wewe watoto wanane. Listen. Okay. What is wrong, DJ? Huh? Mbona mziki umekatika? Anyway. But I want you guys to understand something. Jose Chameleone is our East African icon. And not only East Africa, but Africa. But I want people from East Africa to understand his value. I want them to respect him the way how I do respect him. You know the problem with us East Africans? We don't value ourselves. It's like we love to respect others and disrespect sisi wenyewe. Popote alipo nataka Dr. Jose Chameleone najua kwamba namheshimu sana, nampenda sana, and I've learned a lot kutoka kwake, and I want him to understand that Tanzania wanampenda sana sana.
Danamira kuddagala. Chameleone ndozanyula lwagundi eno ndoza bakola ku kyobadde tokola. Ngo nkati ngabadde omulwadde oza kiki abadde takola kyabakola olwaleero. Oseka. Ya close sabantu oli muno nefu.
Era sizeragire nnyo.
Wama adipata akole kiki abadde takola.
Asitula ku magulu abukemu. Yekolemu omulimu.
Yakava ku kisoro.
Gwe ssebo obulwadde tebumanyi ensonga eyo.
Kale. Mbadde sinakiwabudde nonanyumiza. Kakati munnange ekisema